Right, so it's one of two things that's caused this to fail. This is supposed to have a spring on it. The spring was in pieces inside the gearbox. That's the return spring for the throw-up bearing. But that might not be the actual failure. That could have snapped because of heat. Because look at this, that is supposed to be completely round and have no play whatsoever. It's possible that either this got jammed on that shaft, which meant that this got stuck, overheated, because this is completely melted. Like, there's nothing left. That's all melted plastic in there. That's even worse. I've not seen one as bad as that before. In comparison to the new side, bit of a difference, but the bit specifically is, look at that. Yes, it's got a little bit of plastic in there like that one did. This one's like a bit of a weird shape, this one's circular, that's irrelevant, but what's happened is, on yours, look, it's got so hot, it's jammed, which then inadvertently could have caused that to snap maybe, I don't know, but the problem is the new one don't come with a new spring, and we need that spring. So we're pretty stuck at the moment.